This video will introduce 4 methods in detail, using Samsung Cloud, Smart Switch, Google Account, and Coolmuster Android Backup Manager to restore Samsung backups to a new phone. Part 1. How to restore Samsung backup to new phone with Samsung Cloud. If your old phone has enabled the Samsung Cloud backup function, you can easily restore this data to a new Samsung phone from the cloud. Step 1. On your new phone, go to Settings, Accounts, and Backup Samsung Cloud, and log in with your Samsung account. Step 2. Once logged in, tap on Restore Data and select the types of data you wish to restore. Step 3. Tap Restore and wait for the process to complete. Depending on the data size, this might take some time. Part 2. How to restore Samsung backup to new Samsung using Smart Switch. Smart Switch is a data migration tool provided officially by Samsung, which supports backing up phone data to a computer and then restoring it to a new phone. Step 1. Download and install Samsung Smart Switch for PC. Then, open it. Step 2. Use a USB cable to connect your new smartphone to the computer. Step 3. Click Restore on the computer. Step 4. Hit Add Backup Data. Navigate to the folder where your backups are stored. Step 5. Select the relevant data categories. Click Restore. Part 3. How to restore Samsung backup to new phone via Google account. If your old Samsung phone is already logged into a Google account and has the automatic backup feature enabled, then you can use these backups to restore data to your new phone. This method requires the new phone must be unconfigured. If it is not, please reset the phone to its factory settings first. Step 1. During the setup process on your new phone, log into the same Google account used on your old device. Step 2. Ensure that you enable the sync options for the data types you wish to restore, such as contacts, photos, and app data. Step 3. Once logged in, select a backup from the cloud. Google will automatically sync and restore the data. Part 4. How to restore Samsung backup to new Samsung by Coolmuster Android Backup Manager. If you have used Coolmuster Android Backup Manager to back up your old Samsung phone, you can restore the data to your new Samsung phone. Step 1. After downloading and installing the software, open it. Connect the new Samsung phone to your computer using USB or Wi-Fi. If necessary, follow the on-screen instructions to enable USB debugging for detection. Step 2. On the main interface, select the Restore option. It quickly scans and lists all the backup files you've created on your computer, including backups from your old Samsung phone. Step 3. After selecting the backup from your old Samsung phone, you can tick the boxes next to the data types you wish to restore. Click the Restore button to recover the selected files from the backup to your connected new Samsung phone.